be off.
Total is $694.
Duty calls. There's no ice. If you don't hear the fuck up, trying to get on your goddamn snap and shit. He in the ditch.
Losing weight journey with me. That's it.
That motherfucker had to get all
upgraded, shout it, found out what I was worth and I put on the tax. Build my foundation, I'm fencing on back. Stay out the way, go get money and stack it. My money.
What the fuck is you doing? Fucking one way. Now, why haven't y'all got Nova? Dummies? God damn. Pull them over. State Patrol. You get sticks for just showing up. You know that, right? That's what I got a boat. Okay, you can go to this shit. Turn this shit in, keep the fuck up out of that, man. I don't mean they voted for a president. Who, me? Nah, not I. I ain't the jealous type. Yeah. I mean, when it just died like that, I mean, I pretty much, like, she already said.
This is like every night between China and one, my phone was still in the head. That's my Friday and Saturday, and I'm not on
Hot back, oh, man. It take you 2 days. Damn, but they working. Stop playing.
Yeah. Work out. I be paranoid when I perk
Yes, sir. That's what trucks do, baby. What the fuck is you doing?
Fuck nigga tripping down, made me mad. Lit like a bitch, not the one on my pad. Fuck that deal, don't want no advance. Late night traffic, ready to crash. Get that blunt, that digital dad. Get from the real shit, know I'm a smash. Pull on a house.
On Honda Civic, Accord, and CRV. The time to buy is right now. During the fall kickoff to savings. Trust King Honda, Auburn Opelika. Family owned since 1977.
Shit, man. That cat be running. Shit, man, this motherfucker is hot in the goddamn shit. This part in the damn mule, fine, goddamn, dog.
You riding up on those factory wheels.
Now that's the turning. They gonna run the stop signs. Running stop signs and shit. You had a whole man living out in your house. Look like that. Talking about a long time coming. secular.
Secularity. Also, the secular or secularness is the state of being unrelated or neutral in regards to religion. Do you want me to keep reading?
Yes.
Anything that does not have an explicit reference to religion, either negatively or positively, may be considered secular.
God damn. Alabama?
Listen to the stuff they don't want you to know on the iHeartRadio app.
In the
Wherever
hell?
you get your podcast. Broadcasting from the King Auto Corners.
Say whisper to me out there, man. Well, don't whisper. Take it to me, because whisper, that shit don't look right.
What the hell are you doing, Shot?
Like when Atlanta's R&B Money Love. Afternoons hanging out with you, and this is what we do. Work. This is what we do. Rihanna and Drake on Kiss One.
How the fuck you all on the other side of the road? Oh man, what the fuck is you gonna pull over, motherfucker? What the fuck? Dumbass. You talking about some damn. Come on, dog. Maintain lane.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know.
Okay, I'm good. Let's put our hands in the air. Everybody put their hand in the air. Follow me. Let me take you higher and show you how you should feel, baby. Oh, so speak now, forever.
He ain't even open. Oh, he done. Hold on, they just ran him.
They copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he eat it, ayy, yeah.
In other words, I do everything manually, set the aperture, I set the shutter speed, and then I leave the ISO performance on auto most of the
Wide shot and then a shot of me getting off. So I have a whole bunch of clips in that sequence so I can tell that story and have a variety of.
He's like, try to get this seat right here. What I noticed once I was in the left seat is that we spent about 8 minutes flying over the strip on the left side, and only about, it's a win-win for both parties. You get a cool shot, they maybe get featured in a video, and everyone just gets this really amazing video clip. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. I'm going to give you a hot second to decide which one's better, and I'm also going to give you a tip. It's number.
That Surge trampoline. Damn, last time they been there, you got that one right though. Yeah, I forgot. It don't even look like a damn trampoline slide. You better get the fuck out of my goddamn. What the fuck is you doing, man?